Hey, but what you gotta say?
We're not starting,
You
sadly.
think you're gonna start?
I'm proud. I think I am.
Hey, what are you gonna get? What do you mean?
What am I gonna get? 100.
Are you starting, bro?
Yes, sir. You already know, boy.
All right, now what's the freakiest thing you've ever done?
Oh, hell no. Oh yeah.
Are you starting?
What?
Are you starting?
Hell no.
Are you starting?
Yes, sir.
Just FYI,
1G. Backplate.
eyeballs need to be readily accessible. You're in a
Can
shot.
you tell us what happened at that game yesterday?
You know we won 4-0. Convo ain't shit, but like, you know, like I was in the whole game. I was fucking them niggas up. Like they're not that good.
They got raped, bro. 63.
Hey!
They didn't even finish the fourth quarter, bro. They didn't even finish the fourth quarter. They got fucking raped. We couldn't even fucking play no other songs.
That fucking band was quiet as shit, nigga. They fucking suck. Baby, they was fucking quiet all night.
Without us, these niggas would be like 10 times worse. I'm gonna be honest with you.
Nigga, we're like fucking Florida State right now. The band is good, but the fucking team sucks ass. I know I'm on the team, jackass.
Exactly.
Alejandro, are you getting certified today? Absolutely not.
After today, there's gonna be no more Arclabs. I'm blowing this shit up.
It's not like just y'all, it's everybody. They don't like know what the fuck me is. That's why registration is also in here.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
1G with a backing.
Listen. Okay? We're gonna have our safety meeting probably in the next couple minutes. Don't go too far.
Let's go.
How's it going?
Alright, we're currently going across the street.
With the Ivan.
Life's good. Life's amazing. I trust God. Yeah, he's gonna give us the
Big blueberry.
Yeah, blueberry right here. Mexicans running across the street, you know.
That's what Mexicans do.
Huh? Look at Sam. He looks very cute.
We gotta do everything.
Yeah.
Hey, let's go for some breakfast tacos. They're like 2 streets away.
2 streets.
Yeah.
Where's Danny? Why didn't we bring Danny?
All right, now we're
Hey, Brian, come here.
we're just walking some
Hey,
slide.
Brian, come here. Hey, Brian, we fat. This is level 3 or level 2?
It's level 2 round 3. Turn.
It's us 4, right? It's us 4.
Let's be out together.
Look at this starch. This beautiful starch on my jeans.
Good luck, Ivan.
I need to be over there, right? Nah. We got our brawler right here. This is the fighter of the group. Hey!
I'm not gonna say that shit around people.
Alright, let's go.
Run! Run!
Bro, why is motherfucker at the wrong over still, bro? He stole it from school. It's crazy.
And look, there's a wild coyote. Time for some interviews.
You want to interview?
Hey, what position are you doing?
You gotta ask him if he wants to be in this.
Yeah, you gotta ask.
You don't need permission.
That's for consent.
Nigga, I need to eat first.
What position are you?
Position 2, I think.
Level 2. So you're
Level
1G
two.
with the backing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Are you starting?
Realistically, maybe. I don't know.
Alright, maybe. Maybe. There's no maybe. We have faith. We have faith.
No,
God bless you.
they're not spicy for
Alright,
me,
we see you,
bro.
bro.
Alright.
Alright, see you. Good luck. Good luck.
Go to top tier Brian, though.
They're going against me. They're going against Blueberry Bowl.
Smells like Mexican hair. Brian, calm down, bro. You barely fit through the aisles.
Hey, Brian. Alright, what about the grill? We could have used as a taco, put some meat on the grill, Brian.
I'll put my meat on your grill.
Oh. Hey, bro, this is all on camera.
Alright.
I'm gonna go get some tacos.
What position are you doing?
I'm doing 1G with a backer.
You think you're gonna start?
Gonna do what?
Are you gonna start?
Probably.
What place are you getting?
I don't know. Like 6 maybe. Like 6. We'll do 6.
That's pretty high.
We'll do 6.
All right, now what's the freakiest thing you've done?
That's crazy.
Come on, bro.
I'm not a freaky guy like that, man.
Gentlemen. All right, we gotta go. Give us someone to interview. Keep in front of us. Keep in front of us. What position are you doing?
Position 2. Oh, 2.
What place are you getting?
Second to last. Second to last. I learned how to do this Wednesday.
Damn.
But hey, the comeback's real. Comeback's real.
What's up, bro?
We haven't even started yet. We haven't even got a line yet. We haven't even got a weight yet.
What's your name? What's your name and application?
Miss Doty, I teach you how to make straight lines.
You have a 401k?
Yes.
We haven't had that.
What's a 401k? Oh, my
Retirement.
God. Oh. So I don't have one yet, huh?
I have about 10K.
Hell, man. Is this real?
Yeah.
All right, what position are you doing?
I ain't competing.
My brother. What position are you doing?
Flat, big group.
Are you getting first?
Huh?
Are you getting first?
Why? What you doing?
Same position?
My position?
But I'm not a welder. I'm just interviewing, so.
Yeah.
That's why I came here. Alright, we gotta find someone. We gotta find someone. If we, can I stop it? Yeah. What's your name?
Yo, Alan Navarro.
What position were you doing?
Soju. Hi.
Sir?
Nah, I didn't even get to finish. Hey, if I had 10 more minutes, I would have passed. Trust.
You passed?
Hell yeah.
Now, what's the freakiest thing you done?
Huh?
What's the freakiest thing you done?
I've eaten